this case, the challenge was to explain how this patient rapidly deteriorated and eventually died from a condition starting with a bowel perforation. And the trial exhibit solution was to create two exhibits, one showing the mechanism of the initial bowel perforation, and the second to show the progression of the sepsis that led to the eventual heart attack. In exhibit number 1, the mechanism of bowel perforation, we began with an anterior cutaway view of the abdomen, giving a complete orientation to the abdominal architecture. This also showed the enlargement of the transverse colon. We then show how an obstruction of the bowel leads to a backup of fecal material in the proximal portion of the colon, leading to a thinning of the bowel wall. This thinned wall forms the perforation as the fecal material is allowed to escape. Finally, we show how this fecal material spreads throughout the abdomen, leading to a massive infection. In the second exhibit, we illustrate the progression of systemic sepsis. We first show the fecal material spread throughout the abdomen and show how the bacteria gain access to the circulatory system. Once the bacteria gain access to the bloodstream, vasodilation occurs, resulting in a leakage of fluid from the vessel. We then show how blood flow is impaired due to the overall loss of fluid within the vessels. Septic shock develops due to decreased blood flow to the organs. And finally, multi-organ dysfunction results, including respiratory distress and heart failure. In addition to custom solutions, Trial Exhibits offers over 1,000 stock medical illustrations and animations. Check out our gallery at www.trialex.com.